Work from home essentials always have a new trending product. From the latter part of 2024 until this day, there's all this new rage about smart desks for your home/office. I actually have not really a smart desk, but it's a table that goes up and down, but it's a manual crank. So I wouldn't really call it a smart desk, but this time the smart desks are so much better. It might seem like a vanity purchase at first, but then I got to thinking. Having the option to sit down or stand up while working, playing video games, or editing your content is actually a lot more productive. I haven't been in the best shape, so having the option to stand up while not missing out on my computer activities is a plus for me. Not only it is practical, but it's actually beneficial as well, health-wise. It promotes better posture, and you could reduce the risk of health-related issues related to prolonged sitting. So I reached out to one of the leading companies in the Philippines to see if they got anything they want reviewed, and thankfully, TTRacing was kind enough to send in one of their best-selling products, the Titus Smart Desk. So disclaimer, even though they sent me this product, they're giving me the full jurisdiction to be completely honest and to be as objective as possible for this review. TTRacing's country manager for the Philippines wants to ensure the public to make the best purchase decision because they understand that investments like this one are no joke to the average Filipino consumer. So today we're going to be talking about its features, its benefits, and more importantly, I'm going to show you how to assemble it all together. So sit back, relax, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so let's get to some overview details. The Titus Smart Desk arrives in two boxes. Box 1 is the tabletop itself, and Box 2 is the frame itself. This Smart Desk, by the way, is the XL version, which means it has the length of 1.8 meters. So what's good about the XL version is that the frame is extendable, which means that if ever you decide to change your tabletop into a smaller one, we got small, medium, or large, you can easily shorten the frame, or if you want to go back to XL, you can extend the frame back. However, just a heads up to you guys, if you decide to get the small, medium, or large version, they are not extendable to the XL tabletop. So as a consumer, I think the best course of action is to go straight to the XL version for its size flexibility. Alright, so I'm bringing in some reinforcements to help me out. This is a bit of a project, so we'll try to break it down for you. So welcome back to my channel, Kuya Boyet. Hello. Let's go. Okay, first things first, we are gonna assemble the desk frame. Okay, from TTRacing. Thank you guys. Congratulations, you are the new owner of TTRacing Titus. Flip to the back to get started, and thank you for your support. So this is the instruction manual. I think it's pretty standard. So as always, whenever we assemble something, it's always the good first step to categorize the sections that you'll need so you would not get confused. So we're gonna start from the bottom up. These are the base. We're gonna start with the base, to the legs, to the extendable frame. Now onto the extendable bar for the leg. First, we have to remove this one. Okay, make sure you tighten this one. this is the adapter. Okay, and we are now finally done. The assembly is complete. Everything's good. It looks good. Just plug it in and moment of truth. Alright, so now let's talk about the build quality. Of course, we want to find out if the Titus Smart Desk is sturdy enough for whatever you're gonna use it for. Now, the Titus Smart Desk can support up to 80 kilograms of weight. So if you have a pretty heavy computer or audio equipment, the desk will support it just fine. And listen, it doesn't sound hollow, obviously, because this is a pretty heavy desk. The color I pick is the Onyx. And while it looks good, the powder finish is great, but the problem that I have with it is that it can get pretty dirty fast. So best to clean it with a duster or air blower from time to time. You also have to be very careful to not scratch the surface. The edges are rounded, which is really nice. This is actually a great choice, especially if you have children or pets running around the house. They minimize the risk of injury. Also, the smooth finish provide a comfortable resting place for your arms, especially during long hours of use. Okay, now this is funny. A few years ago, I ruined a perfectly good laptop because I accidentally spilled coffee all over it one morning. Now, the Titus Smart Desk has a cup holder, and it's smartly positioned at the end of the table and right below the surface, so you can safely position your drink without the fear of accidentally spilling it all over the desk. This also has a retractable headset bracket, so you could conveniently place your headphones without cluttering the desk. Take note that you can also purchase some accessories such as cable organizer, desk mat, or wheels so you can move your desk around more easily. Of course, the reason why you're thinking about getting a smart desk and ended up clicking on my face is for its Rise Up feature. At the touch of the button, it will smoothly adjust the height of your desk. The speed is good enough. I mean, I thought at first it would be slow, but then I think it will be okay if it is, because you'll end up putting a lot of things on your desk and you don't want them falling out if it rises up too fast. But wow, the speed is just okay. It remains stable. I mean, my stuff here, all these Iron Man are not moving at all. Even the bubble head, pretty stable, you guys. This is good. The memory feature of it is a nice touch, as you could enjoy your own personal settings in one touch instead of fiddling with the button for long. To be honest, I am looking forward to using this for productivity for a long time, since the quality of the frame and the tabletop are pretty solid. Overall, TTRacing's Titus Smart Desk is worth a shot. Now, as of the upload date of this video, you can get your very own Titus Smart Desk for the low price of 18,699 pesos. And to sweeten the deal, you can use my voucher code JRD2000 to slash 2,000 pesos off your purchase. You can use those savings for more accessories. So head on over to ttracing.ph, follow your heart, and add to cart. And stay tuned to the next video, because I'm sure that by now, you've noticed that something is missing to complete the setup of a smart desk. Find out what it is on my next videos. Now, what did Captain Rhodes say?
Next time, baby.
Thank you once again, TTRacing Philippines, for sending this in. This is a great looking vest, and while I don't have anything to put on it just yet, I would love to read your suggestions in the comments down below, you guys. And I hope you guys can share photos of your setups. Just follow me on my social medias down below. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Leave a like, comment your thoughts down below, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to this channel for more tech review videos just like this. So that's it. This is Jordan. Stay safe, everyone. Peace out. Oh, here we go.